Hi everyone, welcome to Live Your Life. In this video, I would like to share with you a magical remedy for the dry cough using your thumb. Normally, if you bite, chew well and eat 2 peppers, you can get relief from dry cough. For small children, you can make powder of 2 peppers and mix honey with that powder and give it to them to intake. In case, if you still have a severe dry cough and don't get relief, you can cure it by using your thumb and black peppers. To do that, you have to keep 2 peppers on the left side of your right hand thumb. So take a sellotape like this and keep 2 peppers side by side in the middle of the sellotape. Then keep those peppers on the left side of your right hand thumb and stick the tape around your thumb. While sticking the tape around your thumb, it need not to be very tight. Now you can feel the pressure of those peppers on your thumb. It will cure the dry cough. For small children, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and for the adults, keep it for 30 minutes. After that, you can remove it. You will get great relief from dry cough. It may look like funny magic, but it works 100%. Next time, whenever you suffer from dry cough, just try this remedy. Don't depend on medicines. Just use 2 peppers and your thumb to get cured from dry cough. Please comment on this video once you try. Hope this will be useful for you. Like this video and share this with your friends as well. Please do subscribe to our channel and encourage me for more things in the future. Have a great day. Success!